Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming this is the medication prescribed for you. Check the name, lot number, and expiry date. Once confirmed, read the printed patient information and label so you understand indications and warnings. Next, prepare 1 glass of water and a calm spot to take it. Follow the dose your clinician prescribed and make a note of timing in your calendar. If anything on the label seems wrong, stop and contact your pharmacist before proceeding. You should build a routine. Tie the medication to an existing habit like a meal or bedtime so you remember reliably. Once done, record each administration in a log with date, time, and any symptoms you notice. This helps you and your clinician assess tolerability. Make sure to review other substances you use, prescription meds, over-the-counter products, herbal supplements, and alcohol, as interactions can change effectiveness and safety. If you're unsure about an interaction, verify with your pharmacist before continuing. To finish, continue as prescribed and attend any follow-up appointments so your clinician can evaluate progress. Store the medication in its original container, away from children, pets, heat, and moisture to preserve stability. Dispose of unused pills according to local guidance or pharmacy take-back programs. If you experience concerning symptoms, unexpected reactions, or dosing uncertainties, contact your prescriber or pharmacist for tailored advice rather than guessing. They will tell you whether to pause, adjust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.